Hi, I'm Austin. Has your device ever flooded, been leaky, or gurgly? This video will show you why that happens, as well as how to fix it. Let's begin. Beginning with how a device may flood, excess amounts of fluid can permeate this sponge and cause your airflow channel to get filled with fluid. Same on an eye-clear style, liquid filling up there, flooding your airflow channel. In order to deflood it, you can do something as simple as flicking it, or rolling up a paper towel, and feeding it into the mouthpiece. You may also lightly blow into the back of the reservoir to remove any remaining fluid. Blowing too hard will cause this sponge to change in location and damage the integrity of the heating element.